5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well, happy 4th of July, everyone, and happy birthday, America, as we celebrate our 249th birthday today, and Steve Beverly's TV Classics with our 16th marathon that we have done here on the 4th of July, and it is so much fun having you with us. We got some very special things, including a couple of twists that we're going to have after our first and second shows tonight, but this evening, we're going to take you on a tour of America. Well, we can't make all 50 states, but we're going to make some that will get you to different places in which people were located as far as the locale of their shows were concerned. There's one that shared its locale with a show that came along a little bit later, but I think that's pretty easy for you. But we're going to have a quiz for you tonight, so everybody get your pencil and paper ready. Jot down the answers that you think that each one of them are going to be, because it's going to be a lot of fun just to see how much you remember. And I'm not going to give you enough time that you're going to have to be able to quickly Google all of the answers. So that's one of the challenges that you have when you try to do this one on the air. But tonight we're going to open up with a classic, 1962. And it was honestly the most awaited premiere of the entire season, and deservedly so, because it had been promoted like it was the second coming. And the Beverly Hillbillies was really not the first rural sitcom. You got to give credit to that one to The Real McCoys with Walter Brennan back in 1957. Now, you could say The Andy Griffith Show was a rural comedy because it was set in farmland area of North Carolina. But truth be told, it was more about character relationships than it was about the actual locale, although we all grew to love Mayberry as if it was our own. But tonight we start out with a show that can share its locale from the beginning in Arkansas on the first episode, and they went back from time to time during the first year of the show. But from Arkansas to California, it's a pretty good haul. And that's because they had $25 million in the bank that they could do something with, and they decided to go as Pearl, their cousin, said, "Go to California, Jed." Well, tonight, we're going to have some fun. This is an episode from 1964, and I think you'll enjoy this one. It's from the second season of the show. And it was the #1 show in all of television for its first 2 years on the air, and it still, to this day, is one that makes people laugh. Let's all enjoy, here on our 4th of July marathon celebration, the Beverly Hillbillies.